Hi, grade 11. This is Unit 2, Lesson 3, the elements of literary analysis. I struggled to figure out what the name for this video should be, because it's partially about form and structure, and it's partially about thought and understanding. The idea is if we look at the pieces of a critical analytical argument, and see the way that they work best, what the order that they make the most sense in, it corresponds entirely with how you would develop your ideas. So basically, the objective of this lesson is to look at what a good critical analytical paragraph looks like and why it's structured that way. So this probably isn't going to surprise you. The structure is point, proof, explain. The point is the claim that you want to make for the paragraph. In a critical analytical response to text, this is a literary interpretation. That means that you're saying something about the text, and you're saying something that touches on the theme that you have identified in the text. So it should say something about the text and the topic, and it should be a claim, something that you have to defend. After the point, you provide evidence that supports your point, and then you want to explain or comment on the point and the evidence. So this is, there's a couple of different ways that you could do this. You could explain how your point is related to your thesis. You can explain how your proof proves your point. You can comment on the significance of your point. You can elaborate on what you mean by it. You could also draw distinctions between some types of evidence and other types of evidence. There's a whole bunch of things that you can do. This is where you want to show evidence of critical thinking. And the evidence, that's where you want to show your comprehension of the text. So how closely did you read the text will be, I don't know why, will be evident in the evidence that you choose, and how deeply you've thought about the text will be evident in what you have to say about it. The following two slides show examples of this structure. They've come from The Take, which is a YouTube channel that makes video essays on movies and TV shows. I highly recommend watching other videos that they've done for movies that you like or TV shows that you like. They do a really good job of making cohesive, interesting analyses of pop culture. These examples are taken from the two episodes that we're using for this activity. So notice how it starts with the point that it is making. It's an interpretation of how this TV show, Dear White People, makes its point through this aspect of its technique. The evidence that they've used is to describe what they mean by these visuals and the way that it looks. And then the comment on it is linking it back to the theme. In this example, we're talking about Aladdin. So the point here, it's making a claim about what Aladdin is suggesting is true and important about freedom. And so this topic sentence is kind of split into two sentences. Anytime this freedom is violated in the movie, things start to fall apart. So that's when they're saying, this is how I know that this is true. And then they provide one detailed example, including a quote, and they kind of explain it throughout. And then they've elaborated on their point here. What do they mean by this idea that things start to fall apart? Why does this happen? It's because this is what has happened. Okay. So when you look at the exercise, what you're going to see is that you're going to watch one of the videos based on what your guiding question is. And then the analysis transcript that is attached to this this lesson is the transcript from YouTube, but split up sentence by sentence. Your task is to join the sentences into paragraphs as best you can, and highlight each sentence in the transcript for what its purpose is. Is it making a point, a claim, like a literary interpretation? Is it supporting a point with evidence from the text? Or is it showing critical thinking by elaborating on the ideas, by commenting on the ideas? And I suggest that you work with a partner for this because it will make it easier.